Hi everyone, welcome back to another tutorial from Wake&Tech. Today in this episode we will be learning how to reset your Webull account's password. You can reset your password easily on Webull whether you've forgotten it or want to change it from the app, so let's get started. First of all, launch open the Webull app on your Android or iOS and from the welcome screen tap on login. In the login page, you can go ahead and enter your phone number or you can also enter your email according to the previous method that you've chosen to sign up to Webull with. If you don't remember the password for Webull, then you can just tap on the forgot password link underneath the next button, and then on the next page, select a verification method. I'm just going to tap on phone or email option. On the next page, enter your phone number associated with Webull account, or you can also choose to log in with email, so tap on verify with email if you want to do that, and then type in your email address for the Webull account you are trying to reset your password for. After typing down your credential, that is your email or phone number, click next. On the next page, you'll need to enter the verification code sent to you via email or phone number. After you do that, on the next page, you can set up a new password. Type in your new password in the password field and confirm it once again in the next field. And after you are done filling in both of the boxes, click next. Soon after you do that, your new login password has been reset successfully. Next time you log into your account, now you'll need to enter your email or your phone number and the new password. And with this, you will be able to log into your Webull account with the new recovered password. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.